Hi, so today we're going to talk about computer network. So we have 12 topics that we want to talk about. So for the first one, we have the definition for computer network. Computer network is a system where two or more devices are connected together to share resources or information. For example, Wi-Fi and also internet. The second one is purposes of computer network. We have 4 purposes, which is the first one is communication, the second one resource sharing, data sharing, and also remote access. So these are the examples for each of the purposes. So the third component is the types of computer network. So there are 4 types, which is LAN, WAN, MAN, and also PAN, which stands for local area, wide area, metropolitan area, and also personal area. So what are the difference between all these types? One, more focused on large area. LAN, a smaller area which is home or office. MAN, a larger area than LAN, which is city or campus. And the smallest one is PAN, which is referred to personal reach. The fourth topic is basic components. So there are 3 main components, which is hardware, software, and also protocols. The fifth component is the topologies of computer network. First one is bus topologies, which all devices are connected to a single central cable, and it is easy to install, but if the main cable fails, the whole network will go down. The second one is star topologies, which devices are connected to a single central device. It is easy to add or remove devices, but if the central devices fail, then the whole network will stop eventually. The third one is ring topologies. All devices are connected in a circle, and each device gets equal access to the network, while if one device or connection breaks, the whole network will be disrupted. The fourth one is mesh topologies, which every devices are directly connected to every other devices. So the pros are it is very reliable, and the cons is it is quite expensive and quite complex to build it. And the last topologies is hybrid, which is the combination of 2 or more topologies. And the pros is it is flexible and also can be designed based on our needs. But the cons is it is quite complicated to design and also be maintained.
Next, we go to the advantages of computer network. First, we have computer network serve as central storage of data, which is file can be stored in the file server. The second one, faster and easier communication, like Instagram, WhatsApp, and Telegram. And finally, the advantages of computer network is flexible, which means user can access data anywhere. Next, we go to the disadvantages of computer network. First, security issues, because computer network are threat of hacking and viruses. The second one is significant cost. Cost of initial setup can be expensive. And lastly, network congestion. Available bandwidth become limited when the number of users are increased. Next, we go to the revolution of computer network. In 1960s, packet switching are introduced. Next, in 1970s, the United States Department of Defense introduced a ARPANET, which is the first functioning computer network. In 1980s, developers are focused on create a protocol which called Transmission Control Protocol / Internet Protocol, short form as TCP/IP. Next, in 1990s, World Wide Web are introduced as a website service. And next, in 2000s, computer network serve as commercial internet such as Wi-Fi, IoT, and AI. What is OSI model? OSI model is the first standard model for network communication adopted by all major computer and telecommunication companies in early 1980s. So they have a 7 layer of OSI model, which is physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, and application layer.
Now, let me continue with the application of computer network. Here are the examples: online learning, digital libraries, e-commerce, cloud services, telemedicine, and also patient record sharing. What are the current trends? For cloud networking, we have iCloud, which stores photos, files, and device backups. How about IoT? We have smart home, like the smart lights, security cameras, and voice assistants. Future of networking. We have 6G technology, which has the speed up to 1 terabyte per second and also has 0.1 milliseconds data delay, data transfer delay, and also it can connect billions of devices per kilometer, and it uses 1 terahertz frequency for high capacity. Simple analogy, we can say that the computers is the houses, the cars is the data, the roads is the cables, and the traffic lights and junction is the routers or switches. So like in real world, cars move on the road to go to the houses and will be controlled by the traffic light to prevent jam. And it's same to the data transfer, which is the data move through the cable and will be controlled by the router to prevent any lagging or problem occur. And the last one is the innovations in computer networks. The first one is the artificial intelligence in networking. The second one is the satellite internet, which helps rural and remote areas to gain access. The third one is the blockchain networks. And the last one is the virtualization and virtual networks, which can save cost and improve scalability. So that is all from us. Thank you.